Namaste.
Hello.
How are you?
Namaste. How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Sunita.
Unita. I am Johan.
Johan.
And you live here?
Yeah, I live here.
You live here.
I live in desert.
Oh, in the desert?
Yeah, in plastic tent.
Oh, in a plastic tent.
Yeah, I don't have house.
You speak very good English.
Thank you, but I don't go to school.
No, I
No
heard.
reading, don't writing,
Yes,
just
yes,
I talk
yes.
English.
I come from Holland.
Holland.
You know Holland?
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, Holland I
just
don't.
I listen.
Far away. Oh,
Yeah, far away.
Far away.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful place here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But very far this.
Yeah.
We not going possible there.
No.
Yeah,
no,
because
no.
I'm poor. Just
Yeah,
I make
yeah.
henna and only make dance.
You have to go with the aeroplane,
Aeroplane.
eh?
And
Yes.
I don't have passport.
Oh, yeah, you don't have passport.
Yeah, me is poor.
But how come you speak so well English?
I'm just marketing, walking,
Yes.
and then I know
You
it.
learned.
My mind
Oh.
and then recording.
Yeah, by speaking to tourists.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Exact movements.
Oh, fine. Great. Well, have a nice day.
You can help me? Give something.
You can help me give
Buy
something.
food,
Yeah,
baby.
buy food.
Anton, hebben we iets een kleinigheidje? Of...
I need food, flour,
Ja.
You happy then bring something food. I have a small baby.
and good luck for you.
100. Nee, ja.
Then
Buy for food. Triple.